In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review responses on Google Forms. Whether you're using Google Forms for quizzes, feedback, or surveys, knowing how to efficiently navigate and review the collected responses is crucial. Let's dive into the steps to make this easy and efficient for you. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to your Google Drive, as this is where your Google Forms are stored. If you're not signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, look through your Drive to locate the specific Google form you want to review. You can either search for its title in the search bar or find it within the relevant folders, as every form you've created or have access to should be listed there. Once you've located the form, double-click to open it and make sure you're in the form's editing interface. At this point, you'll see various tabs at the top, such as Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click on the Responses tab to proceed. This is where you'll find all the data collected from your Google form. Inside the Responses section, you'll first notice a summary of responses. This is where Google Forms showcases the compiled data in a visual format using graphs and charts. Reviewing this summary is a great starting point, as it allows you to get a quick overview of the responses. You can observe the trends and patterns in the answers, which can be especially useful if you're dealing with large volumes of data. If you're looking for more detailed information, you can navigate to the individual tab within the Responses section. This tab provides a response-by-response view, allowing you to see exactly how each participant has answered the questions. You can click through each response using the arrows to the right or left, which is particularly handy when you need to dive deeper into specific answers or spot any inconsistencies. For those who prefer working with spreadsheets, there's an option to export the response data to Google Sheets. You can do this by clicking on the small green Sheets icon at the top right of the Responses tab. This action will create a spreadsheet with all your collected data, giving you the flexibility to manipulate and analyze responses using powerful spreadsheet tools. This is beneficial if you need to perform advanced data analysis, share the data with collaborators, or maintain a record outside of Google Forms. Remember, Google Forms automatically saves all changes, so you don't have to worry about losing any data. And that's it. You're now fully equipped to review responses on Google Forms effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.